After introducing the Galaxy S25 Top series, Samsung is focusing on its next big thing, the foldable. Rumor has it that this year will be a major one for the incoming Galaxy Z series, particularly because it is likely to include more devices than normal. This series is expected to have 4 devices: Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, a triple foldable, and a Flip FE variant. While this is the first time this has happened, a recent rumor says that the Galaxy Z Flip May 7th also use an Exynos chipset, which would be the first in a Samsung foldable. According to Samobile's sources, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be the first handset in the Galaxy Z series, including flip and fold variants, to employ an Exynos chipset rather than the customary usage of Snapdragon processors. The arrival of the Exynos 2500 is very noteworthy. Samsung's first smartphone CPU is based on their sophisticated second-generation 3M manufacturing technology. This chip, which was wholly created in-house, is projected to provide a significant increase in power and energy efficiency. It supposedly has a 10-core CPU and an Eclipse 950 GPU based on AMD's cutting-edge RDNA 3.5 graphics architecture. The final result is a chip built not just for normal smartphone usage, but also for performance-intensive applications like high-end mobile gaming, putting it in direct rivalry with Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, perhaps dubbed Elite. Interestingly, although Samsung has yet to publicly confirm these information, SamMobile reports that internal sources have confirmed that countries such as India and South Korea would get the Exynos-powered Z Flip 7. However, it seems that other regions, namely the United States, China, and Canada, will continue to get Snapdragon-equipped versions. This would be consistent with Samsung's long-standing geographical division between in-house and Qualcomm silicon. Another noteworthy feature of the Exynos 2500 is its compatibility with smaller phone designs. Early indications show that, although the Snapdragon 8 Elite gives outstanding performance, it may run hotter and in ultra-slim form factors, where the Exynos 2500 may shine. If these first findings are correct, Samsung's chip may be a better fit for slim foldable devices, providing cooler and more balanced performance. In essence, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 might serve as the launch pad for Samsung's most ambitious mobile silicon to date. With a 3M design, AMD-based graphics, and worldwide deployment across a premium product line, the Exynos 2500 chip marks a major step forward, not just for Samsung's processing goals, but also for the expansion of its foldable portfolio as a whole. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.